Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm going to do roasted walnuts. So for this recipe, you will need salt, walnuts, just a few walnuts, maple syrup, cinnamon, and ginger. I'm going to put it all together and I'm going to mix it. I'll put it in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. So let's do this. So I'm done with the mixing. I have maple syrup in there, ginger, cinnamon, and salt. I have mixed everything together with the walnuts. I am going to put it on a baking sheet. So this is the toasted walnuts. It looks good. It is a healthy, quick, nutritious snack. Give it a try.